In previous video, we discussed about physical properties of metals and non-metals. Today, we will discuss about chemical properties and example of chemical properties. Chemical reaction of metals with oxygen. Chemical reaction of non-metals with oxygen. Chemical properties of metals and non-metals. What are the chemical properties? Chemical properties are the properties of a substance that may be observed when substance undergoes a chemical change or a chemical reaction. General chemical properties are rusting. In rusting, oxygen reacts with metals forming a new substance that is an oxide. Burning of a substance or combustion of a substance, reaction with air, water and acid, all are the example of chemical properties. Chemical properties of metals. Metals loses electron and changes to positive ions and known as electropositive element. Metals have different chemical properties because of electron in the outermost orbit of the metal. So let us start with reaction of metals with oxygen. Reaction of metals with dioxygen. Metals react with dioxygen gas and gives metal oxide. Metals give electrons to oxygen atom and react to form oxides. At normal temperature, a thin layer of oxide is observed on metals like magnesium, aluminium and zinc. Magnesium when heated in air burns with dazzling light and forms magnesium oxide. At high temperature, metals like gold, silver, etc. do not react with oxygen. Chemical reaction of metals with oxygen. Metals react with oxygen and form metal oxide. What is the nature of metal oxide? To check the nature of metal oxide, we perform an activity. To perform activity, we require test tube, watch glass, rust powder, water, red and blue litmus paper. We collect a spoonful of rust and dissolve in a very little amount of water in a test tube. Shake the suspension solution well and pour little amount of it in a watch glass. Test the suspension with red and blue litmus paper one after another. What we observe from this? We observe that there is no change in color of blue litmus paper, but the red litmus paper turns blue. We know that as basic solution turns red litmus into blue, so we can conclude that rust, that is metal oxide, is basic in nature. Chemical reactions of non-metals with oxygen. Non-metals also react with oxygen and form non-metal oxide. What is the nature of non-metal oxide? We perform an activity to check the nature of non-metal oxides. To perform activity, we require gas jar with a lid, spoon with a wire to hold it, sulfur powder, water, watch glass, blue and red litmus paper. We take a small amount of sulfur powder in a spoon tied to a thick wire. Heat the sulfur powder in the spoon and introduce it inside the gas jar and cover the jar with the help of lid. Remove the spoon after some times and add a small quantity of water into the jar and quickly replace the lid. Shake the jar well and pour the solution into a watch glass. Test the solution with blue or red litmus paper one after another. What we observe from this? We observe that there is no change in color of red litmus paper, but blue litmus paper turns into red. We know that as acidic solution turns blue litmus paper into red. What we conclude from this? We conclude that sulfur oxide, that is non-metal oxide, is acidic in nature. So, from these activities, we can conclude that metallic oxides are basic in nature. Non-metallic oxides are acidic in nature. Acid turns blue litmus paper into red and base turns red litmus paper into blue.